Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers Legacy Motormaster with the DNA Designs DK-38 Combiner Upgrade Kit. And yeah, this is pretty cool. And one of the cool things it does, it extends the trailer and it covers up the front portion of the trailer, so now it looks like a complete piece. Yeah, and then it comes with other pieces. I think these can be stored in the trailer. I just didn't feel like it. This cannot, so it just hangs around. And yeah, now once you attach the pieces here, you'd also have to put this, because it'll extend the hitch forward, which will allow it to peg on there. Now this piece is meant to peg here, but you have a round peg going into a square hole and it barely fits. Then you have this piece, and this is supposed to peg in there, but it really doesn't unless you squeeze this together to give it more friction. But I don't know, I think they just, I don't know, they could have found better ways of incorporating. I mean, these aren't really that needed, but whatever, I don't care. There he is. Very cool. And again, a rematch with Optimus. And oh yeah, hey, no, he's now king of the road. And first thing I'll do is get him into his torso mode, since I didn't really do that in the previous videos. Just a lot of unpegging and unfolding. And separating. Let's see, yeah, do this. Flip this open, revealing the head, Menasor. This kind of folds in on itself. This pegs on there. Gonna unfold ears. Then make like you're going to transform the feet. Then get these out of the way. Or no. Yeah, get these out of the way. I'm pegging these and rotating them backwards. There you go. And then rotate these up. Fold this in, and then the legs kind of fold in there. There you go. Fold this in. And then this pegs in like this. Oh. Rotate the waist. There you go. Because then you want these to peg into the side there. There you go. And there that goes. And then these will peg underneath, just like in the alt mode. There you go. And this pegs onto the back, and the arms, oops, rotate this. This pegs. Rotate the arms, and these will peg into the forearms. And there he is in his torso mode. As for the trailer, it's just a lot of unpegging and untabbing. These are the new pieces. Can go ahead, flip out the feet. Yep. And this separates just like before you put on the add-on. Here's his little sword. And unfold this, unpeg. There you go. This don't need. Here you can unfold the legs and rotate. Bring these down. Rotate this upwards, rotate the waist, and set that aside. And these just unpeg, 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 don't need that. And I like these are the original feet. Just a left foot. Right foot. And here we have the new hands already pegged in there. They each store in opposite directions. so let's unpeg, unfold the hand, rotate. So I do like how this, you know, the part, I don't care for the parts forming, but for a figure like this, it's unavoidable, I think. But I do like how they approach this. So in this situation, the parts forming, I don't mind it. You know, maybe one day, who knows what type of engineering these toys will be 100 years from now. Maybe they'll figure out a way to incorporate these without parts forming. Alright, so easy thing to do is the feet. These just slide in like shoes. There you go. Now the torso, just unpeg that and then put on the new one. And then start assembling. I think I put this on the wrong leg, so I'll make sure I put it on the right one. Again, I don't want to peg this in all the way. As far as I want to go with that. And then let's go ahead and put the drag strip. Dead end here. And the Motor Master just hangs in here. On the back, and then form feet and legs, form arms and torso. Whoop, I left out a step. Lilith. Alright, so we got Lilith showing up here. Hey, you. Alright, I can do this. Bring these down. Peg onto the side. Form arms and torso. And off she goes. And there is Menasor with the upgrade kit. Looking awesome. Now, he has a sword. And it just slots into his hand here. And I love that he now has fully articulated hands, fingers, and new feet. He's taller too. But now, unfortunately, mine has a little defect that is going to be addressed. I contacted TF Source and they're going to send me a couple of replacement pieces. One not so major. This little hinge came cracked right there, so they'll send me this piece. And the right thigh, when I was screwing it in, I accidentally put it on the wrong side, so I had to unscrew it. And the screw post on the inside cracked, both screw posts. I mean, it looks like it's holding it, but it's you know, it's definitely delicate. So at least I'm able to capture it on film here. But they're going to send me replacement pieces for the right thigh and then this piece. This piece, I mean, it's not like it. Look, when I get these upgrade sets, I want the hands, you know, I want the main pieces, and then these little pieces aren't that important to me. So, but still, you want to make sure you get, you know, exactly what you paid for. This peg's here. These peg down here. I'm not going to bother with the base mode. I think that's what this is for, the base mode. You know, then you got his gun, which I don't know, I guess it's supposed to tab in on his arm. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. They kind of improved this, but it's not like it's a accessory I'm going to use. This piece attaches on his back, so if you do want weapon storage for the sword, it'll go on his back. But this is how he's going to be displayed. And that is awesome. I wasn't too sure about this piece, but once you put it all together, it flows nicely with the new waist here. You know, because I thought about maybe just keeping this, since it has the Decepticon symbol. But now you actually have this gap here. He has chesticles. If you put this, it has the abdomen piece, which fills it in. So yeah, no, this is awesome. I'm glad I have this set. And I've been on the roll. Oh, look at that. That's not a knife. Well, this is a knife. No, I've been on the roll. I have been getting things on sale and on clearance. I got that Voltron, 25% off. Then I bought that Masterpiece Trailbreaker on sale from TF Source, and I used the store credit that I had accumulated purchasing the Voltron, the Blitzway Voltron, which I've never reviewed because it's still in the box. Got that trail breaker for like 112 bucks. Plus the $50 gift card, because that was a bonus. And then use that $50 gift card to get this, so I wound up getting this for like 20 bucks. So man, look, I'm trying to save money now. But yeah, there he is, looking awesome. Very posable. Yeah, looks cool. Yeah. Very happy. Anyway, there is Menasor with his DNA Designs upgrade kit. And Lilith. Thanks for watching.